Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video, girl, I got a new bag. So if you want to see what I got, then keep on watching. Like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I said I'm all right, girl, thank you for staying put. You girl got a new bag. Yes, and I am so excited for this one because this is that bag I just didn't know I really needed in my collection, girl. This one is bomb.com. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Girl, this box is just everything. I love when my bags come with all the thrills and feels. Okay, when I say everything, I mean everything. This bag comes with everything. I'm gonna set everything just to the side on the bed. Okay. Everything, even the little to and from little hanging to go on the gift bag. Like no stone was left unturned. When I tell you everything, girl, I can't stress that this, thrills and feels are just there for this bag. Everything just immaculately beautiful. This is the dust bag, thick, sturdy dust bag. Beautiful, okay, girl. Let's go ahead and get into it. This one is gorgeous. Black. There it is. You see it? Lambskin leather, girl. Embossed with the LV logo. Look at that. Oh, Emma, Gigi, it is so gorgeous. Look at that chain, girl. My chain is glistening and shining, and it was so heavy. The bag itself is heavy. But adding the chain and the crossbody chain, girl, yes. This is like toiletry bag at like 3.0, 4.0, okay? Look at this. Look how big it is. You can put so much stuff in this. So much stuff. It is huge. Like I said earlier, I showed this already when it first came in a vlog. But it is so big. My iPad 12.9 can fit in here. Gorgeous. Look at this. 3 compartments. So wide. Not only can you wear this as a shoulder bag, but it doubles as a crossbody bag as well. Look at this cute strap. Now you can change the strap to something else or order yourself a cute novelty chain from like Amazon or Etsy if you wanted to, make this bag more unique, make it more you definitely can, as people were doing with the toiletry 26 bag. This bag is one of those bags too that you can just make it your own and switch it up. Very, very nice, very beautiful. I absolutely love it. So if you wanted to order a long leather crossbody strap to go with this, you definitely could. A black leather strap would look absolutely amazing with this, but this bag is beautiful, girl. So we can, clutch it if we want. We can be out here looking chic and stylish as a clutch, okay? Super gorge. Yes. Under the arm, like so. Gorgeous. Look at that strap. Like I said, it has some nice weight to it. So nice. All right, I'm feeling it. What you think? Yes, girl, so nice. Now, like you see here, I have it shortened, but the strap can be lengthened so that you can wear it as a crossbody, like so. And here we go. We have our bag on as a crossbody. Super nice. This bag is totally given, girl. Yes. Let me know what you think of today's pick. I am absolutely in love with this bag. Like I said, this is that bag that I just didn't know that I needed in my collection until it arrived. Girl, absolutely beautiful. I am in love. Definitely reach out to me via DMs on Instagram. My email will be down below if you're interested in the specs and more information on this bag, girl. Let's chat about it. I'm here for you, okay? I'm only a DM away. So yeah, girl, I absolutely love it. Super cute. So make sure you follow me on Instagram. Yes, this bag is beautiful. It just feels amazing. Girl, the quality is just everything on this. I'm still smitten with all of the space. Girl, the best bag ever. Loving it. All right, girl, that is it for me. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my uploads. Be sure to let me know how you felt about today's bag down below in the comment section. Did you love it? Do you want to add this to your collection? Do you already have one, girl? Let me know. It is so pretty. I absolutely love it. And if you already have a Toiletry 26 bag, if you're looking to add the chain to yours, I'll have that link down below as well. Because the generic chains, like I said, they just add so much more flair to the Toiletry 26 bags. And I just love that this bag comes well equipped with everything you need to style and make this bag look super duper glam. OMG, it's just so pretty. So pretty. But yeah, girl, I'll see you in my next video, and there'll definitely be another video. Bye.